in our previous video we had learned about the nitric oxide molecule, that is NO molecule, wherein we studied that it consists of in all 15 electrons that needs to be accommodated in the respective molecular orbital which are present in the molecule. Now these 15 electrons needs to be accommodated in the molecular orbitals of NO molecule, and the order of energy levels of the various molecular orbitals are the same as for the homonuclear diatomic molecules, which are basically heavier than the C2, that is carbon molecule. Okay. And the bond order came out to be 2.5 for this molecule, and as far as magnetic behavior is concerned, NO molecule contains one unpaired electron that we can see in the pi star 2py orbital, and so this molecule is actually paramagnetic in nature. Remember, whenever unpaired electron is present, that means paramagnetic in nature. Okay. Now NO molecule is less stable than the oxygen, or that is pure oxygen, or if we compare with pure nitrogen molecule also, then also we see that the NO molecule is less stable. Now why does this happen? In NO molecule there is a significant difference of about approximately 250 kilojoules per mole of energy of the atomic orbitals which are involved in the formation of molecule, that is nitrogen and oxygen. So that the combination of atomic orbitals to give rise to the molecular orbitals of NO, that is less effective as compared to that in pure oxygen or nitrogen molecule. So as a result, what happens, the bonds which are formed, they are weaker, and we see when the bonds which are getting formed are weaker, that means the stability of the molecule is lesser as compared to pure oxygen or pure nitrogen molecule. Okay. Now let's move on to another species related to the NO molecule itself, that is so we know since the removal of the electron from the last occupied molecular orbital, that is pi star 2pz occurs, so that means the bond order is yet to be changed. Initially in the neutral NO molecule there were 5 electrons in the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Now since one of them has been already removed due to the formation of NO plus molecule, so we are left only with the 4 electrons in the anti-bonding molecular orbital. So that means the bond order comes out to be 3 over here. Remember, it was 2.5 in case of neutral NO molecule. As far as magnetic behavior is concerned, we see that all the electrons have been paired up in this particular molecule. So the magnetic behavior will be nonetheless the diamagnetic nature of the NO plus molecule. Okay. Now as far as stability of NO molecule with respect to NO plus is concerned, it's quite an interesting part to study. We see that the stability of NO plus is more than the stability of NO molecule. The reason is very simple. Why? Because the bond order of NO molecule was 2.5. That means 2.5 bonds were getting formed between nitrogen and oxygen. But here in case of NO plus molecule, we see that the bond order is 3. That means 3 complete bonds are getting formed over here, and therefore this is the reason, since 3 complete bonds are getting formed over here, that means the bond order is of NO plus is greater than that of NO molecule. So we see that NO plus molecular ion is more stable than the neutral NO molecule, or in other words we can say that NO molecule readily loses one electron from pi star 2p. Why? To form a more stabler species, that is the NO plus ion. So in other words, the tendency of NO molecule to get converted into NO plus molecule is rather more. Why? Because it tries to attain the stability over here. So that is about the story of the heteronuclear molecule, that is NO, and its ionic species, that is NO plus molecule. Thank you.